Hello viewers, welcome back to Samti's channel for mathematics. We have met today to we have a very nice thing to talk about, math olympiad problem. Math olympiad problem. So there is a question here to go through it together. Find the values of m and n in find the values of m and n in 2 raised to the power m minus 2 raised to the power n is equal to 2016. Normally, when questions like this are given, two equations are given so that they will be solved simultaneously. But here, only one equation was given. That makes it quite challenging. But you will understand. Let's go through it together. So you rewrite it. 2 exponent m minus 2 exponent n is equal to 2016. So what we do is that we consider 2016 over here. So let me write them over here. So 2016 is a positive number, right? So it's greater than 0. So since it is greater than 0, it is a positive number over there. So if 2016 is positive, then it means here is also positive, because 2 exponent m minus 2 exponent n are supposed to give us 2016. So that means that place is also positive, right? So 2 exponent m minus 2 exponent n is also greater than 0. So since 2 exponent m minus 2 exponent n is greater than 0, which is positive, it means 2 exponent m here is greater than 2 exponent n, so that after the subtraction we will get positive number, right? So this implies that we can even make this one cross here, the inequality sign, and it becomes something like positive, right? So 2 exponent m is greater than 2 exponent n, is greater than 2 exponent n. Alright, so there is what it becomes, because this must be greater than this to make us get 0, or greater than 0 over here, so that it becomes positive. So this is greater than this, rather. Alright, so we continue by then saying that then if this is greater than that, then m here, so m here is equal to, that is the n here, then something must be done to this n to get this m. So n plus, let's say, x here. So if you add something to this power here, then it means we can get this power, because this power makes it greater than this, because the bases are equal, so it's the powers which are different. So m here is greater than n. So for us to get m, something must be added to n to get m. Hope you understand. Alright, so we continue by saying, somebody can also say that, then we can also say then n is also equal to m minus x. So when we want n to, we can subtract something from m so that we will get n, since n is also smaller. So we are having two equations over here, this one and the second one also here. But I would like that we choose this one for our work. Let's choose the first one for our work. So what we do is that now we are finding the values of m and n over here. So we can come here to do some substitutions over here. So 2 exponent m, the m is now found to be n plus x. So n plus x here, or minus 2 exponent n is equal to 2016. From indices, the laws of indices, then it says that when we're having a exponent, let's say s plus y is equal to a exponent x multiplying a exponent y. So it means the laws of indices, then we found this from it. So we can say that then 2 exponent n multiplying 2 exponent x here. So that when we simplify, we'll come back to it. Minus 2 exponent n here is equal to 2016. Alright, so what you do is that we also make sure that the 2016 over here also will have a base of 2, and some exponents. So we are trying to change it into indices form, and if we do that, then 2016 gives us 2. So let's start from here. 2 exponent n into bracket 2 exponent x minus 2 exponent n here is equal to 2016 will give us 32. So 2 exponent 5 multiplying 63. So when we do this, we will get 2016. So it means we have turned it into indices form. So 32 times 63 is 2016. So 32 is 2 exponent 5. Alright, so we have this one over here. Let's try to do some factorization. So factorization, we factor out 2 exponent n, which is common over here, and so we will get, 2 exponent x here after the factorization minus 1 over here, so is equal to 2 exponent 5 into bracket 63. So we can still move on further and say that 2 raised to the power any positive number over here will give us even number. So 2 raised to the power 1 gives us 2, 2 raised to the power 2 gives us 4, 2 raised to the power 3 gives us 8. So we will be getting only even numbers. So we consider here that we will be getting even numbers, so even. The same thing here, we're having 2 exponents, a number, so we are getting even number here. So even number minus 1 will give us odd number. So if we're having 2 minus 1, we get an odd number. When you're having 4 minus 1, you get an odd number 3. When you're having 10 minus 1, you get an odd number 9. So here is also considered to be odd. When you come back here, 2 exponent 5 here is giving us 32, and it is even. And 63 is also odd. So what we do is that we equate even to even and we equate odd to odd. So 2 exponent n is now equal to 2 exponent 5. Let us try to simplify that. It implies that, so since the bases are equal from integer equations from indices, then the exponents are also equal. So n is finally equal to 5. N is finally equal to 5 from there. So we can come down here to simplify this aspect. 2 raised to the power x minus 1 is equal to 63. What we do is that we also group like terms over here. We are getting 2 exponent x is equal to 63 plus 1, which is 64, right? So 2 exponent s is equal to 64, which implies that 2 exponent x is equal to 2 raised to the power 6, 2 raised to the power 6 gives us 64. So it finally implies that since the bases are all equal, the exponents are equal, s is equal to 6. But the question did not ask us to find the value for x, right? So it is not only x we are looking for, but we found x from this equation to help us into solving the question. So we are having x to be equal to 6, but from this equation we used, then we are having m is equal to n plus x from here. So we are saying that this, let's substitute. You have m to be 5, we are having x to be 6. So after adding them, we had our value of m to be equal to 11. So let us prove whether we are right or we are wrong. So 2 raised to the power m here, our m is 11, minus 2 raised to the power, which is n, and our n here is 5. So finally it's equal to 2 raised to the power 11 here is giving us 2048, minus 2 raised to the power 5 gives us 32. So after using our calculator, you get 2016. So we are right, and so the values of m and n are m is equal to 11 and n is equal to, so m equal to 11, comma, n equal to 5. Keep watching, subscribe to this channel. Bye. Alright viewers, thank you very much. Please subscribe for more videos from this channel. Bye.